Hi and welcome to Revit Zero to Hero. In this course, we'll learn Revit step by step from opening the program to creating full architectural project. Today we will start with basics, the Revit interface. When you open Revit, you'll first see home screen. Here you can start new project, open existing one, open existing family, or create new family. See all of your recent projects, browse through your cloud projects, get some insights about your workflows and overall performance from Autodesk. Now let's start our new project. In this window, for a new project, I will pick up template file. In my case, it will be metric multidiscipline. You can pick the same or of your template of your preference. It's not much difference from the default ones, but you always can go and pick more suitable template for your work. Or if your company have their own template, work with that. Now let's press OK and start our new project. Once project is open, you'll see main screen. That is where we'll do all of our work. The screen is divided to several important parts. Quick Access Toolbar. At the very top, here, you'll find everyday tools like Save, Undo, Redo, Print, Measurements, some dimensions, 3D view. We'll get to that a bit later. Below that, you'll get the main toolbar of Revit. The ribbon. It's organized into tabs like architecture, structure, steel, and quite a lot of others. Each tab has groups of tools which you will use to build your project and to manage your project or collaborate. Next thing is the properties palette. In my case, it's here. In your case, it might be a bit different. It might be looking something like this. Moment, but I have quite big screen and I can have luxury of splitting project browser and properties into two different areas, so it will be more visible for me. This shows the details of what you selected. If nothing is selected, it shows settings of the current view. It's quite a lot of settings for every element. That's the basis of the BIM project, parametric project, that everything in your project will have parameters and you can adjust those parameters and affect the element in the model. Next big thing, it's the project browser. It's like table of contents for your project. Here you can find all of your floor plans, 3D views, sheets, and schedules. Here's the views, legends, schedules, sheets, families, groups, and Revit links. You can work with them all together or split by category like views, only legends, only schedules, only sheets, and so on. It might be useful. It depends on your current task. And the main viewport. In the center, here, it's the main viewport. Here you will actually draw, model your building, both in 2D and 3D, and even schedules. You will not draw it there, but you will change parameters there.